oil. This, wait, I forgot.
This is essential oil.
Oh, I need it.
This is
I remember.
One, two, three, go.
This is essential oil. This is our smoothing gel. This is isopropyl alcohol and 100% concentration. Which is very, very strong. It can burn your skin.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No.
Ow. This is isopropyl alcohol. It is 100% concentration. It means it's very, very strong.